In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private in the Instagram mobile app. Let's open the Instagram app. Suppose you want to make your Instagram account private. In the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. In the top right corner, tap on the three vertical lines. This will open the Settings and Activity page. In the Settings and Activity page, click on Account Privacy. Now turn on the Private Account option. Here you should see a pop-up on your display explaining to you the perks of a private account. If you turn it on, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos, and your posts will not be available on Explore also. And no one will be able to reuse or share your posts on Instagram. If you are okay with all of this, click on Switch to Private. Now your account is private. Now only approved people can engage with you.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.